Yeah, can try to lock it. Locked. Unlocked. So job done. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm going to show you how to change boot handle on Volkswagen Golf 5. How you can see, mine is not working. Unlock, just doing nothing. So we are inside the car and I'm going to try to open the boot from inside. So it's supposed to be plastic here, but it's not. Take the plastic off. You have the plastic, and can you see the thing there? Just move it to left and you should be able to open. So yeah, put the finger there to the left. Here we go. So we do have two Phillips screws here. So I have them removed. And next thing, this plastic cover. Don't lose them clips. Alright. So I'm going to disconnect connector for the boot handle. Yeah. And how you can see, we do have 3 screws here. They're supposed to be T25, but 2 of them are different. But before I remove them, I'm going to remove wiper motor, because we do have one screw is hidden. Okay, so for better access I'm going to remove this wiper motor. So number 13. And we're supposed to have 3 10mm bolts here, but we do have just 2. Yeah. Okay. So how you can see, we do have a better access for this bolt. So I did remove 3 screws, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn it. Watch. See? And I'm going to remove that handle. We're going to put new in. I actually didn't get the new one. I got good used one. Now you can see on the left side there is the bad one, broken one. Yeah. And this is the good one. hopefully it will work. Okay, we can put it back. It's really easy. Like this. Okay, the screws are back. Yeah. Next thing, wiper motor. See, it will go just here. Easy. Yeah. What the hell? Just 2, supposed to be 3. I found the third one, so we do have 3 now. So wiper motor is holding how it should. Connector. So we can put plastic cover back in place. Okay, plastic cover is back. Last thing, 2 Phillips screws. Mil. It's working. Locked. Yep. Job done. Thanks for watching me, and I will talk to you very soon in the next one. Bye.